What's going on, Diamond Hand family? It's drip time. Hope you had your coffee or your latte or whatever you drink in the morning. Momentary pause for the real investors to hit the like button, notification bell, and subscribe button. Quote of the week: great minds discuss ideas, average minds discuss events, small minds discuss people. Eleanor Roosevelt. Hope you're strapped in today because we're about to go on a ride. It's the crypto machine. Johnny Diamond Hands hitting you with this Drip Network update. Links in the description. Today, I want to give you a recap of my progress in Drip and a little of my strategy going forward. Now, I have an entire playlist of videos dedicated just to Drip, and you can go back and watch them anytime. For those that don't know what Drip is, the Drip Network Faucet is a low-risk, high-reward contract that operates similarly to a high-yield certificate of deposit by paying out 1% daily return on investment up to 365%. Players can compound and extend their earnings through deposits, hydrating, also known as compounding rewards, as well as through team-based referrals. My referral link is in the description. Now, for starters, I went back to my first video. You see this right here on the screen. I went back to my first video that I did. This is the first video on my channel. It was December 2nd, 2021. And as you can see here, I had 27 drip. 27 drip. So for those that are familiar with drip, and you are back in December 2nd, 2021, shout out to you. You are truly a diamond hand holder. So we can see I had 27 drip here. And if I hit play right quick on the video, it'll go forward and you'll see where I switch to the swap screen. And then I have, you had the price back then, 29.57 USDT. And so, you know, all these values I'm stating, these are approximates, but we can see, you know, it gives you a ballpark of what it actually was then. And you can see when I switched to March of 2022, you can see that it was $50 per drip, and that I had $61 in drip in the balance. Wow, that's a big difference from today. And so that's that. And then today, you know, we're looking at the price of drip now is $9.99. It's rising. It's been rising the last few days. And I'll tell you what, this is at a discount right now. So drip is on sale right now compared to what you saw, in $50 in March. And then that's not even comparing it to the all-time high, you know. So, hey, drip is $9.99 or 9.99 USDT. I'll say it that way. And so you can go in here and get a huge discount on drip right now. And as we can see, you know, if I go over to my faucet, my deposits have grown to 532 drip, and it's grown substantially. What I was doing was I was compounding several times a week and dollar cost averaging any extra money that I was getting into the platform. You know, and I have this is not, you know, in totality. I have taken out some profits. So I took out profits as they were coming in. I did take out profits. So, you know, in reality, this deposit number should be a lot higher than what it is. But hey, you know, every now and then you got to take profits, you know, for whatever reason. As long as you don't make a habit of it, you know, of taking profits, you can build a big bag. But hey, anyway, an easy strategy is, if I were you, this is not financial advice, I would just take a little bit of new capital that I had coming in from whatever source it came in, and I just, you know, dollar cost average, I'll deposit that into the drip faucet weekly or monthly, and then you can also compound whatever you get in your 1% daily reward. You can just go ahead and compound that in, and it will boost your deposit. And that's what you really want to do. You want to make this number as high as you can get it, you know. And they have different calculators, drip calculators, and websites and spreadsheets that are out there that you can use that to your advantage, just to see where you want to be, and you know, where you want to be 6 months from now, a year from now, 2 years from now. So, hey, that's my drip progress. I'm expecting to have at least 3,000 drip by the end of December. And that's just a personal goal of mine. And then by next summer, I want to have 10,000 drip. So, hey, anything is possible in DeFi. So hope you all have a great day. And until next time, peace.